How to stay positive and avoid negativity. Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that is very important to us all: staying positive and avoiding negativity. We all want to be happy and live a fulfilling life, but sometimes it can be hard to stay positive, especially when we face challenges or setbacks. But it's important to remember that positivity is not something that comes naturally to everyone, and it's something that we can work on every day. What does it mean to be positive? It means that we are kind, compassionate, and positive towards ourselves and others. We believe in ourselves and our abilities, and we are open to new experiences and ideas. We are also open to feedback and willing to learn from our mistakes. So, how can we stay positive all the time? Here are some tips. 1. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. This can help shift your focus from what you don't have to what you do have. 2. Surround yourself with positivity. Try to spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Avoid negative people who bring you down. 3. Surround yourself with nature. Taking a walk in the park or sitting outside can help reduce stress and boost your mood. 4. Practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath and be present in the moment. This can help reduce stress and anxiety. 5. Set goals. Having goals can help us stay motivated and focused. Write down your goals and work towards achieving them. Remember, staying positive is not a one-time event. It's a daily practice. By incorporating these tips into your life, you can start to cultivate a positive mindset and avoid negative thoughts and feelings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.